PayPal's stock price was popping 3% today on May 22nd, and I think it was due to what PayPal CEO Dan Schulman said at a conference with Wall Street analysts from JP Morgan. Now, I've looked through this conference and I've got several videos coming out, including this one. And starting with this one, which I will highlight one green flag for PayPal stock in 2023 and beyond. So let's begin. Let's get into the details. So the analyst is asking PayPal CEO Dan Schulman, when might the mix shift turn and turn in your favor? And what he's referring to in this question is PayPal's several business areas, business segments, and where the revenue is coming from, right? So PayPal, if you're not aware, they've got the legacy PayPal business where you use your PayPal login to buy things online, right? That's the core, that's where I find the most value from PayPal's business. Then it also has Venmo, it has Braintree, it has buy now, pay later, and it's jumping into more of the in-person business services. So they've got, different categories of things going on, but the core, the most profitable segment is the online, is the PayPal branded checkout, right? Where you use your PayPal login password to buy things online. That's the most profitable area. And this is where the analyst wants to know, hey, when is your business going to shift in favor of that area, because that area is more profitable and that's what investors want to see more of. The CEO, interestingly, shifts the topic and says, what are you talking about? I'm not going to tell my sales team to slow down in these unbranded areas because it's not as profitable right now. And he goes on to say that unbranded carries with it our latest checkout integrations. So it brings in PayPal, integrates with everything else, and boosts the business overall. And here is the green flag that I wanted to share with you. And one of the reasons why I have PayPal stock as one of my top 17 stocks to buy right now. It's up there as one of my favorite stocks. And it's because this is one side of it. It's because they have a massive scale with 35 million active merchants who accept PayPal as a payment method. Right? You wouldn't use PayPal if it wasn't accepted by merchants. It becomes almost useless if merchants don't accept PayPal as a payment method. PayPal already has 35 million active merchants who use PayPal, who accept PayPal. And they've built that over 20 years of developing this network. That's hard work. That's a lot of investment. That's a lot of sales calls. That's a lot of relationship building that PayPal has already done that you, as a PayPal stock investor today, get to benefit from. So that's a huge green flag for PayPal stock. And anytime they upgrade somebody from our unbranded, that comes to their latest checkout integrations, both across PayPal, Venmo, and buy now, pay later. So anytime they get somebody anywhere in their ecosystem, they're working to bring them to the whole system. Right? So it's not like they have these silos where it's, if you're a Venmo user, you're not going to be a PayPal user. And so that's not going to be the case. PayPal is trying to integrate everybody into their ecosystem. And they still plan on expanding internationally because there are better margins there. Right now, Braintree is basically domestic. So that's going to give PayPal a broader customer set and higher profit margins overall. So this question of when is the mix shift going to turn and turn into your favor, the CEO took that question and turned it around and talked about the integrating the other parts of the business into the ecosystem of the business overall, kind of sidestepping this question in a way. Regardless, the company does have this huge green flag, which I like that the CEO mentioned, that they can use to build out these other parts of the business and bring everyone into the ecosystem, and then eventually monetize that and bring the profit margins higher. So that's a green flag that PayPal stock investors can look for, and I think that's part of the reason the stock is up several percent today. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I've got for you. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.